That was really loud, I'm sorry. Today's video is going to be a try on. I just hit my hand so hard, like against. It's fine, I don't want to die. So today's video is going to be a try on haul. As many of you guys know, like once a month I like to do these hauls where I show you guys some items that I got from African Mall for under $20 because we already know, bitch, we have a budget. I just bought a house. We're on a budget. So you guys already know, and I'm also just a cheap ass bitch. I love clothes that is for a good deal. I like to show you guys at least once a month like some new items that they have on their website that I picked up. So I got a couple of things to show you guys. One of the items I'm not too fond about, so I'll explain that in case anybody like orders it or whatever. Yeah, I'm gonna show you guys some of the things I got. I know it's fall time, and keep in mind you guys, I live in Arizona, so basically it is hot year round. It is hot all the fucking time. Also, can you guys see Petty in the back? She literally looks like dead. Like she was like in a pretzel. This is like the only spot she sits in all day. Like I don't know why, but like she's just chilling here at all times. Like I said, I live in Arizona, so it's hot all the time. So it may be winter for some of you. It may be snowing. I doubt it though, because global warming, it's not snowing anywhere. If it is snowing, then you're probably gonna be like, bitch, I can't wear that. But because it's still like 80, I literally just felt something go into my eye. I'm literally about to start crying. So we're gonna pretend that my eye is not like acting up. I look like I'm crying. Everything that I'm showing you guys is pretty much under $20 or around $20. I mean, compared to like Forever 21, Urban Outfitters, where everything is like $50 up. Not Forever 21, everything there can be like, I don't know, I feel like they're acting funny with the prices. I've been going in there recently and they think they're bold trying to charge me $30 for a t-shirt. Bitch, know your place, you're Forever 21. Everything should forever be under the price of 21. But, the first item is this. I don't really know how to explain it. It's like a jacket type of situation thing, and then it has these buckles. I want to find like some like pants that are like this material, but like black ones to wear with this, and like some cool sneakers or something. But yeah, like I saw this on the website. I was like, oh, that's pretty different. I like that. I like different stuff. I don't like wearing basic shit. So I was like, okay, that could be definitely like I feel like that can definitely be like spiced up a little bit. By the way, everybody, I get all of my tops on their website in a size medium, and all of the bottoms are in a size large. This top is a bandeau. Now this I'm obviously gonna have to wear under like a jean jacket. I didn't know that's how we got off couches. But I'm probably gonna have to wear this under like a jean jacket or something, but it says, my tits are too nice for my life to be like this. And I don't know, I just thought that this was so funny. Like I saw somebody else wearing this. It might have been one of the Claremont twins, or I saw somebody wearing this shirt and I was like, they made it look so cute. So obviously like you can be basic and wear it with like a pair of shorts during summertime, or you could wear it with like really cool like vinyl red pants and like a black vinyl jacket. Like I see the potential in every piece. This can be like very simple, but you could also like make this look really fucking hot. The next thing I'm gonna show you guys is very fucking difficult to like pick up, just because like the chains are kind of like going everywhere right now. So I'm gonna have to like explain how you wear this while I show it to you guys. So as you can see, it's a hoodie. It's a cropped one, and then it has these chains that go to one side and these other chains that go on the other side. So these are literally like, they're like body chains kind of, but it's like attached to your jacket. So I went ahead and rolled up my little like crop top I had underneath, so you guys can like actually see how short this is. I believe I got this in either a one size fits all or a medium. Like if I don't choose a sizing, it's probably one size fits all. But basically if you have some tiggo bitties, you can't wear this. I think this is so cute, so I probably have to wear it like this, or like a white like sports bra, or like a Calvin Klein bra underneath or something. But I think this is so sick. It's just super short, so you have to be willing to risk it. Why do I like the way I'm dressed right now? I can't wait to stay home all day again. So I thought that was really cool. It attaches to the back, so like I said, it goes like that on each side of your body. The next item I got is a cropped long sleeve. I got this one in actually like, I don't know if this was one size fits all, if this was a large, but this is what it looks like. It says romantic, great time to be a dreamer, romantic and revolt. I don't know what that means, but this was cute. I like that it had the little accent of blue right there, like, and the red. I don't know, I just thought it was really cute. I mean, I think everything that I got is cute. Obviously that's why I got it. But with this, I'll probably wear this with like some blue pants. I actually just bought blue pants, so hopefully they'll match this. But I'll probably wear it with some blue pants or some red ones just for like the accent or whatever. I cannot wear all white outfits. Does anybody else have that struggle? Like, it doesn't work for me. Okay, so this top I think is so fucking cool, but I need to figure out how to do this. I'm literally so incompetent sometimes that I don't know how to like figure out these like clip thingies. So I need to attach the other one, but you guys can kind of get like a gist of what the shirt looks like. I thought it was really cute, and I have these orange shoes that match this perfectly. Like, I'm that kind of person, and I feel like everyone should be like that too. Like, when you're shopping online, don't just keep putting things in your basket. Think, what can I wear with this outfit? Like, what am I, if I get this, what am I gonna wear with it? I know I could wear black pants with it. I know I could wear these orange pants that I have. I know I could do this, I could do this. Like, don't just waste your money on buying shit if you know you're not gonna like wear it, or you don't know how to style it. And obviously buy things so you could like be like quirky and like try different things out. But like, if you have no fucking idea what the hell you were doing, do not waste your money. I'm the kind of person that like, if I'm in a store and I see something that I like, but I'm like, I don't know if I'm gonna actually wear it or how I'm gonna style it, I will be in the store and I will pull out my phone and Google like how to style orange shirt, how to style this, how to style this, and I'll like get inspiration. And if I don't get any, like, I don't buy it. The next thing is this dress. I've always wanted one of these because I saw the way Kim Kardashian looked in them, and obviously I'm not gonna look like fucking Kim Kardashian. I saw this dress on her and I thought it looked really, really cute. She was wearing a black mesh version of this. The reason why I recognize it is because it had like this line going down and these strings. So I guess you could like scrunch it up to make the dress like a little shorter, or to like fit a different way. So hopefully this looks right on me, because one, I have no tits or ass. So we'll see how this fits. Hopefully I look like Kim K. Next thing I got was a long sleeve, which is surprising, and which is not surprising, it's cropped. I thought this was so cute. It's literally just printed on, so it's not like embroidered or anything. But I thought this was so cute. Like, I thought this with like some like tight pants, or like some really cool jeans, like some cool flare jeans or something. I don't know. I just thought that would look so sick, or this with like some booties and tight pants. We'll see. But I thought that shirt was really, really cute, and I would buy something like this from Urban Outfitters for like $25–30, and the fact that it was under that is amazing to me. The next thing are some jogging pants, because I'm obsessed with jogging pants. My mom literally, like, she helped me organize my closet, and she's like, why do you own so many gray sweatpants? And I'm like, sweetie, because I take them from all my men, that's why I have so much. I love H&M. Like, H&M used to have the best sweatpants in the world, so whenever they like bring them back, like, they always take them away, but they like come back during the winter time. These specific type of sweatpants, like, it's not just any type, it's a specific type. Every time they come out with them, they're from the men's section. I literally buy like 4 or 5 pairs because they're like $15–20 each, and they're so fucking comfortable. So I love gray sweatpants. But these are just some gray sweatpants. It laces up in the front. I haven't done that yet. And then it has the knees cut. Hallelujah. These ones actually go all the way down to my ankles, which is very rare. Next thing I got is this yellow sweatshirt. It says rustlers on it. I don't know what the hell a rustler is, but I guess I'm one now. I love the color yellow. You guys know I love the color yellow, especially mustard yellow, so that's why I got this. Hopefully it fits. The arms, I haven't tried this on yet, but the arm sleeves feel a little short. I am tall, so I have longer arms, but this is in a size large, so keep that in mind. I feel like this wouldn't fit a large, to be honest. I feel like this is more of like a medium. We'll see how that fits with it when it comes to like the arms. So I'm in another dilemma, just like that other like shirt that has like the buckles on it. Bitch, I'm struggling. So this is what the shorts look like, and then it has the little like buckles. This is not for like garters or anything. It came with the other pieces. So you like attach it like right there or whatever, but I'm having the hardest fucking time, so I'm not gonna try this item on. I'm so sorry, you guys, but I'm letting you know my struggle right now. I was on the phone with my friend for like, I don't know, maybe like 2 hours, and for like 30 to 40 minutes out of that phone call, I was sitting on my bed trying to like put these like things through. They're the exact same ones as the other ones, so I don't know why I'm struggling so hard right now, but I am. So this is the one item you guys are not gonna see tried on, so I'm sorry about that. Next top I'm gonna show you guys, I actually wore it in my last video, but you guys couldn't tell because it was underneath another shirt, my like hair update video. So this is what it looks like. So you're probably very, very confused, like what the hell is going on? So this is where your titties go. It goes right here. Your head goes through this hole. your arm comes through here, and then your arm comes through this other side. I just thought this shirt was really, really cool. I'm into like weird cuts. Yeah, it's a really, really weird cut shirts. I wore this the other day, so there's like deodorant stains on it. Oops, sorry, I'm clean. Next outfit, I don't know how I feel about it, just because I'm not too happy with the quality of this one. Like I said, I'm gonna be real with you guys. I'm not about to sit here and be like, oh my god, it's so amazing. This outfit, I'm not too happy with. So as you can see, they try to go for like some like Gucci kind of look, but the material itself, you can kind of see my hand through it. It's pretty thin. So I personally don't think that I'm going to be wearing this unless I can like find a cami or a white like bandeau to go underneath this, but then you're gonna see the bandeau, I don't know. But I wasn't really happy or satisfied with this one. Like I said, like it fits, but it's just like, it's super, not super, but like it's see-through, and I wear underwear like most people. So my underwear showed like directly through this, so we have to pass on her. Next, I got these two sweaters to wear in my house. As you guys can tell, I love fluffy stuff. So every time I see like a fluffy sweater or a fluffy jacket, I like to buy them, but I wear them at home. Like, I live in Arizona, bitch, the fuck I look like walking around in this? Like, I will literally look like a crackhead, like a dumb bitch. So I got these two. This one, as you can see, has like a little bit of a, turtleneck, and it's like kind of cropped, but I got this literally, like I will sleep in these, you guys. These are so soft, and like they are soft on the inside, soft on the outside. Like, this is my favorite. I actually ordered like a fluffy sweater like this in the past, and I think I spent like $50 on it, and it did not feel this good, and I'm not just saying that. This is in a size medium. I wish I would have got it in a large, so it could have been like a little baggier, but oh my god, I'm gonna fall asleep. Like, it's actually so soft, like I can't get over it. It's actually so soft, so I'm probably gonna wear this tonight, to be honest, when I go to bed. So this is what the second one looks like. Like I said, I wear these at home. This one's in a large actually, so this one's gonna fit like a lot better. But I don't wear like stuff like this out just because it's not really my style, but I like to get these for my house because one, I love fluffy stuff, and they're just really comfortable. So that is basically everything that I got this month for my African Mall haul. Thank you so much, African Mall, for being around, because I love getting inexpensive clothes and getting cute stuff. If you guys are interested in African Mall, make sure you guys check out the description. I will have all the links to every single item I just showed you guys, so you can go and pick them up. I'm not sure if I have any coupon codes or affiliate links. If I do, they will also be in the description box. But that is it for today's video. Make sure you guys subscribe, check out some more videos. If you haven't seen any others, I have crazy story times, I have vlogs, my channel's just a mess. But if you subscribe, I appreciate it, and I'll see you guys all in my next video. Bye! If you guys didn't know, I have a limited edition collection with Velvet Caviar. I have 2 phone cases and a key ring. So if you guys are interested in that, like I said, it is limited collection, a limited edition. Go check out the description. I have a link to the website. Whatever puts my heart at ease.